my sunshine, my only son. Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 8 Sunshine Place. This beautiful 265 square metre home packs a punch. We've got 5 bedrooms, plus an office, 3 bathrooms, 3 living areas, and beautiful established gardens. But that's enough from me. Let's go through and have a look. As you can see, this large family home really does pack a punch. Give me a call or come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.